Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will create 404 page. Let's say if we go to localhost 3000 slash article slash hello, and if I hit enter, you can see a message article does not exist. But if I go to localhost 3000 and then I do hello, and if I hit enter, you will not see any message. So we need to create a generic 404 page. To create 404 page, let's go to VS Code, and inside the pages folder I'll create a new file and name it as not found.js, and here I'll do RAFCE press tab. Then instead of this div I'll take this as an h1 tag, and here I'll write a message 404 page not found. Let's save this, and here I will add tailwind css classes. So class name, that is going to be sm text, for excel text, that is going to be 2xl, font, that is going to be bold, margin top and bottom will be 6, text gray 900. Okay, let's save this. Okay, here I need h1 also. So okay, so I have saved the file. Now let's go to app.js. So let me close all these files because these are not required. Okay, now I'll go to app.js and I'll import the page which I have created. So import not found from pages not found, and here I'll create one more route. Okay, so route and path, that is going to be only a asterisk. Okay, a star, and we need element that is equal to the not found component. Okay, so let me close this route and let's save this. Now let's go to the browser. So here, as you can see, we are getting this message 404 page not found. But if I go to article slash hello, I still see this message article does not exist and not the page which we have created. So let's fix that. Let's go to article.js, and here is the condition that if there is no article, then show me this message. So instead we will import the page which we have created. So pages, and here I'll import not found page. So not found from not found, and here instead of this h1 tag, okay, I will replace it with this component which is not found. Okay, let's save this and let's go back. Now as you can see, we are getting this message page not found. So this is the component which we have created. So now we are having a generic 404 page. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.